Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you a weird case that I had to deal with. An Icon golf cart came in for a flickering display that was not showing information consistently, did not have a speedometer operating on the dash, and some lights, the turn signals and all that stuff did not properly work. Initial thought was that is a defective display, so I obtained a new one, but when I plugged everything in, everything was the same. So today I would like to show you the pinout that I did manually to rewire the whole back side of the dash, and maybe it will help you to analyze and hopefully overcome the situation you have. I would like to mention that the weirdness about this case is this is a 22 model year Icon, but it still has NIOS controller. I guess it is a transitional model year or something like that. It is in fact based on the VIN number 22 model, but it still has 2021 software and firmware. So the display that we are installing is FY4800 LT, I guess traditional for the Trojan batteries, and this is my pinout. I eliminated all this extra stuff that I don't need. There were plugged in wires that went into the empty pins, but the main one, ground, pin 11, 48 volt, pin 12, red positive main wire, 48 volt plus. Moving on to J1 connector, the big guy. I have 20 pin connector, so pay attention to that in your case. But first one, pin 1 would be a ground, pin 2 would be positive brake signal wire, right? So in my case it's purple. I don't know what's yours. I have empty pin here. Pin 4, I had something plugged in there, but not in use anymore. Supposedly this is a positive auxiliary wire, 12 volts constant. Rest of the pins are empty. Pin 10 on the top, yellow green wire in my case, and it is a speed signal that what operates the speedometer. Underneath we have pin 1, low beam connector that will display low beam light indicator. Pin 2 would display high beam light. When you turn your high beam, it will indicate on the display. Pin 3 underneath, green, would be a left turn signal, positive. Orange and white wire, in my case pin 4, would be a reverse signal. When you put your car in reverse, it would display a little icon light up on the dashboard. Pin 5 would be positive right turn signal, and the rest are all ground wires to correspond with each one positive that you have. So the last 5 wires are all grounds, left all positive. All right, I hope that will help you somehow determine your problem and overcome it. Again, this is a 2022 Icon with 2021 software. And just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, all right, lights are on, low, high, low beam, lights are off, turn signal, brake, reverse, and a speedometer. Here you go. Thank you for watching, and I talk to you next time.